the wake of events, predictions, prophecies, among others, many was said about our sitting president attempting to go beyond his second term in office. Meanwhile, on 13th July 2025, during a Sunday service, Reverend F.D. Yalley said the sitting president will not go beyond his second term. He then said he will bring out the details for his reason, which we held on to. Let's listen to him.
Mahama's third term, is it possible or is it a farce? And I'll bring it this week. I'll come and give it to you. He said it's possible. It's not possible. Mahama has finished. He's in his third term already. Those who are saying it, 2012, we said it. They are now saying it today. He spent 6 months of Mahama. He has 1 term already. He's having this term. It's a third term. Sometimes people can see what has happened years ago and they are talking about it now.
President John Dramani Mahama has assured that he will respect Ghana's 2-term limit and will not contest the 2028 elections. He explains that stepping aside after his second term will give him the freedom to maintain strict fiscal discipline and avoid the cycle of election year overspending.